That's the ugliest thing I ever saw.
Don't worry about it, Tommy. You don't have to look pretty to work down at the slaughterhouse.
Floating shipless oceans, I did all my best to smile. Here I am, waiting to hold you.
and tears I've cried, screaming, deceiving, and bleeding for you, and you